Eish. Ngikhathele. Ngikhathele. Hey, khona isithi yami ngifuna ibe nezithombe ezintsha but hey, aye nomileni bangithatha bangisale up there on the forest. Eish. Hey, it's up very up. This place is steepy. It's as if I don't know these steepy places, but I know them. It's just because I'm a little bit big now. I'm mafuta. I'm very, very much mafuta now. And yeah, but I would be happy if I see my CD with professional photos and everything of high quality. Yeah, definitely I'll be happy. Yeah, and I thank these guys, man. Thank these guys. They've dedicated their time, their everything. They put their focus, their everything to make this thing happen. This Zulu city happen to be a world-class city, and definitely sure, I'm quite sure that it will be a world-class city. If you see it, you will see that no, that's why the man was sweating like this. It's because you wanted something that is totally professional, that is out of this world, and this one will be out of this world. Definitely sure. Love you. Mileni. Where is the man who is taking all this? Why?